Ka company penmi skutar ka Frank Yamaha hakas ngitho ding klapen kuburom mikinung tho kubor kibla trish tom banyakun persya ya ka jingpang coronavirus nadu usnam arajar arpau ya kane ka jingpun kuburom no penlong haplau jong office nesfas halaim kra hakaba laidan lang upresdan ka shilong press club uba David lai plang u general secretary ba puels oklet ba Pius Rani ubdeu executive director jong nesfas bat kinum ikmat na ka company Frank Yamaha. Ka Frank Yamaha kalong bakane ka jingpun kuburom mikinung tok kubor kalong ban itu ban nyu burom ya ka jingtrei jongki kibalaha ban mi syakmat om tang ban pentip ya ka jingtrei kam ka sarkar halor ka jingada na ka jingpang covid herai kilaha ban len lade ban le check hospital shikishnong ki tau ban penpau pojba ya ka jinge ba ki pajba kimat na ka jingwan shop kana ka jingpang hakini ki arsnam uba David lai plang haba kran na kalyang kinong tok kubor ulong ba kinong tok kubor hakini ki arsnam bawan kana ka jingpang kilamat bun ki jing Henry Kim Shemla Ritpat ban pendap e kakamram nakamta ka jing rap e kipajba ulong ru ba kidon kinong tho kubor kibalangat hakan ka jingpang hakapor ba kidang tre e kakam Henry Snok men pat bom Shemla don kibalaklat nakan ka jingpang wal ada kakam kadai kabama hakan ka sngi ba penlong e ka jingpan kuburom u presiden ba general secretary ka Shillong Press Club kila plai pajba ru ya ki skutar ke batamai kibrang penmi da ka company.
Megalaya, here comes the new Yamaha.
Thank you, Pak David. Thank you, Pak Soklet.
Pak Ahmad ba dia ba post.
And foot soldiers, I don't need to say anything because everybody is right in front of you. They've all been doing their bit, and they've been unsung heroes. We've had our most respected government via the Deputy CM having declared us frontline workers on the 27th of May this year, but that's still in his lips. It hasn't reached his hands as yet to notify. So thank you, Yamaha, for recognizing my colleagues. They've been working very hard under tremendous challenges, constraints, financial, non-financial, physical, spiritual, mental, all kinds, but they come here with a smiling face to thank Yamaha and especially Indon and team for being humble enough to think of us and remember us when we do all the spade work. Thank you very much. God bless Yamaha and everybody here.